Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in your Mini World CREATA game. To clear cache without, of course, going into Android settings, you can go into Settings. Here, go into Settings, then go into Advanced, and if it's not here, then Others, and then scroll down to Clear Cache, and then you can choose which cache options you want to clean up. Then you can clean them up. This will, of course, decrease the amount of space your game is taking up, as well as might help speed the game up a little bit. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.